Okay, so let's take this. Hello, everybody. So today we are just going to go through a couple of medium problems. Just one, I think. Let's go to medium difficulty and try to pick one. Now we'll set our timer to 15 minutes as usual. And this is a problem called peaking iterator. So design an iterator that supports the peak operation on an existing iterator in addition to the has next and next operations. So we need to implement a peak iterator class. Peak iterator norms initializes the object with the given integer iterator. Next returns the next element in the array and moves the pointer to the next element. Has next returns true if there are still elements in the, and pick returns the next element in the array without moving the pointer. Note that each language may have different implementation of the constructor and iterator, but they all support the int next and building has next functions. So if the input is pick iterator next, pick next, next has next with this, the output is going to be this. So in a minute, so it's going to give us wait, okay, so this is instantiating and the pick iterator pick the next is going to give us 1. The pointer moves to 2. Pick is going to should give us 2. Next is going to give us this, and next is going to give us null. The pointer moves to the next element. Next returns 2, moves to the next element. Returns 3, moves to the next element. Has next returns false. So now this is very, very similar to a stack where we have first in let's see the hints or the topics. So array design iterator, not necessarily a stack. Let's see hint. Think of looking ahead. You want to cache the next element. I'll just pause this for a while. Okay. So I was talking about if this is a stack or a queue question, but I don't think this is. This is. So the topics are iterator. And this is design an iterator that supports the peak operation on an existing iterator in addition to the has next. Okay, so I see what you mean. So we have to design a peak that's going to take an iterator. An iterator is an iterator is wait a minute. What is an iterator? Okay. Picking iterator. Okay, this is an iterator's API interface. You should not implement it. You should not implement it or speculate about its implementation. Iterator is going to return a number. Has next is going to return a function. Next is going to return the number of the current item. Access is going to return input. So this is the iterator, right? Okay. So um okay. So new object picking order array, picking order iterator array. Now this is going to be the array, right? This is going to be the array or the iterator, right? Um pick new new. Okay, so we're adding this to the prototype object. So now we have to return the object we created, right? Right. Let's be sure. So this means I have to go and understand more about um prototype inheritance in JavaScript. Yeah. Let's write this down. Because if we say function iterator, which is you see picking on the array, we are to return an object, right? Good. We are to return an object. So if we return no, not pick. Here, iterator return and may return an object, an iterator object. Let's say let's um wait a minute. I'd like to quickly get a primer on prototype inheritance. Yeah, so the way this works is initially we're instantiating pick iterator to this iterator, and then we're also instantiating the current to the iterator next. Now to return the pick, we have to find the next item in this iterator. For instance, if we have 1, 2, 3, when we have moved to instantiate it as next, it's going to be 1. So we just return the current one. And then for next, we're going to return the current one and move the pointer, which is this iterator next. And then for has next, we are going to check if this current this if this current is null. If it's null or if it's less than 1, then we know it is not it doesn't have like a next item. But if it is non null, we know it has a next item, so we just return this greater than 0. And that is how this works. It took me some time to actually get this, but once I got it, I kind of got the hang of it. So yeah, that'll be all for today.